Yo, what's good, guys? There we go. Yo, yo. Let me get this link sent out to everyone right now. I don't know why my... There we go. I'm going to be going over all my losses from this week. Out the background. Appreciate it, bro. Yo, yo. I'm going to give everyone a couple of minutes just to join up. This live isn't going to be long. I just kind of want to go over why I lost this week. I was going to call this trade, but I don't know. I just felt like it wasn't it. I do have confidence that this trade will move, but I had it typed up. And honestly, I just felt like I shouldn't be in any trades right now. I accidentally sent it when I was trying to send out the live link, and that's why I messaged everyone like, yo, it's in profit, but that isn't my signal. It's like, got 77 people here. Yeah, end of the month. I mean, bro, I had a banger month, and then the last week, this week, like, I've been losing. So it was annoying. It was very annoying, and I realized, like, bro, I made $126,000 last week. Like, I don't need to be forcing anything in these markets, like, you know. So I was just blowing some of those profits, which was really dumb. And I wanted to break down why we lost everything. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have the signals that I lost. I'm going to go ahead and break down the signals that I lost. Which, I mean, there's a couple. I did not win this week. I'm going to break down every signal. I did not win this week at all, which is part of trading. So that's, you know, it's a part of the game. You have to be okay with that. So the first trade we took was on... Okay, the first trade we took was on August 28th. It was GU. It was on GU. And let me pull it up. Somebody said, yo, I've been in here 4 days and we lost. No, I mean, bro, scroll up and you'll see the rest of the results. Pretty simple. And anyone else who's in VIP, go ahead and talk about that. So here on GU, I did anticipate that we were going to go bullish. And EU was making higher highs, and I believe I got in. Let's pull up the signal. One sec. Just want to have the live chat on the side. Where is my signal? No, I'm not trading. Somebody said, what about gold? So the first trade I had taken was at 260.79. So I literally got in a fucking horrible entry. My stop loss was at 900. And as you guys can see here, I did buy kind of like at an important supply area we were at. So you guys can see we were in this rejection order block. Like we just exited Asia session. We broke these highs. So I honestly ended up just getting in too early. You guys can see we dropped, we fucking melted. And then I ended up buying again at 12:31. So that was over here when we got this push. Because I saw, hey, you know what? I thought we were respecting this order block here. And my mistake with this one was that despite, I mean, yeah, we did technically touch on the minute one, close in there and break structure. So I believe I took an impulse buy like right here with stops just under. Somebody said, what if I've been with him for a month? Yeah, bro. I mean, most of my trades are like 1 to 10s, 1 to 5s, 1 to 8s. Like, I think we're down like maybe 5R on the week. If anybody took the EU call that I called on the live stream, I just didn't call it as a signal. I called it as a live stream. That one ended up running like a 1 to 20. So that one did put me ahead on the week, but the rest of the week ended up losing. I didn't actually type out a signal and call winner this week. Yeah, we had a breakage structure right here, so I thought that we were going to be valid for the buys, and then just boom, we lost again. The reason why we lost this one was we bought at a rejection order block with no real like good confluence to buy. It was just kind of like EU was pushing up, and I bought too high. I got in too early. Over here, the issue was, yeah, I mean, we did pull back, but we should have recognized that, hey, we have Asia lows that are most likely going to get swept. And also there was a rejection order block resting right here. This order block didn't really latch onto a previous order block. So that was another issue that I was looking at. Somebody said turn your mic up. Is that better? And if anyone has any questions about these losses or anything, like feel free to ask. It's just, to me, I've always said I'm going to be the most transparent trader out there. So, bro, like, I caught a losing week. I think this will be my second ever negative week in signals out of like, I think we've had it for 90 weeks now. So 2 negative weeks out of 90 weeks is totally fine. Especially coming off of my greatest week ever. Like, I don't really mind that I lost because I have proper risk management. But as I was saying, this one I didn't. As you guys can see, like my ideal model is to have something like this where once we finally do break structure, we have some sort of structure that it played off of. So to me, it was like, for example, we had something like this, where there was an order block over here, and we continued. So now what I would have needed to see is either we give something kind of like this, and then we break, and then we continue, and then now we look to enter. Because now it's like, okay, it really is developing off of this level. Or I should have waited for it to retest and touch all the way down here. So that was where I fucked up on that one. And yeah, that's where that signal fucked up. So that's 2 losses right there. Let's look. What was the next trade I took? So we took another GU buy on the 29th. At 2:05 a.m. Okay, so we took a GU buy right here. If we look at the hour, same thing. I was just kind of anticipating, we look like we're moving up. We had swept Asia lows, and we kept wicking above. So this was my flaw right here, is I didn't wait for like a strong closure above. So you guys can see we just kind of wicked above, and to me, I was just so eager because I knew these were moving bullish, but I was just almost so married to my bias that I wanted to get in on anything. So we got in right here. My stop loss was right here. Wait a sec. Oh, 2.6. Yeah, so my stop loss was right here. Plain and simple. I got stopped out like, bro, I literally, this week, it almost felt like somebody was just watching me. So yeah, so I caught a loss right there. Here we had Euro USD, where I hit a break even. So right now on the week, we were at -3R. And then we had Euro USD at 7:25 a.m. Let's go 730. And so what happened here was, I believe fundamentally we had some news that pushed us up. And so my mistake was I believed that this range, you see, we ranged over here and we broke under. This is where I messed up because I figured, okay, we broke under, we're going to keep selling. So I entered at 427. And then I put my stops right above that high. It was a very, very tight stop. And we were in some decent profits. And then I called stops to break even at 748. So right here, I called stops to break even. And then you guys can see, boom, we hit break even. And so my issue with this one was I didn't necessarily follow the fundamentals. Like, so when I really sat down and I started analyzing, I was like, wait, I feel like fundamentally we should be bullish. And like just even following this news, like, bro, look at this massive push. Price does its fucking thing right here, and then it comes back up. So I should have known not to take the sells. But I mean, I got stopped out break even. That one happened. Today, let's see, was there another trade? So there was a Euro USD. I forgot to update the result, but this one was a loss. So right now we're at three losses and 1 break even so far. And then we had 10:37 p.m. So right here. Right here I saw we broke structure towards the downside. I figured, hey, you know what? We might be playing off of this level here. What do you mean there's no historical data? What? I literally went up time frames. That doesn't make sense. Anyways, yeah, I figured like, oh, on the minute 1, I think it was, I was just like, yo, we latched onto something here and we broke structure and price is printing lower. So what I ended up doing was I took shorts at 37 right here with the stops right above there, I believe. Entry was oh, I'm an hour late. Okay. Here we go. So I was actually right here. Yeah, price spiked up out of nowhere. I was like, yo, we're kind of rejecting here. And I just kind of hopped in. So it was at 37 that I got in. Stops, I put them right above the high. I was expecting price to melt. I knew right here I should have gone stops to break even, but I don't even know if I reached that, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, price just honestly stopped me out right there. So right there we're at, that was 4 losses and 1 break even. But it's part of the game, honestly. And see, today we had a buy on Euro USD, which ended up going break even. It was August 30th at 4 p.m. Damn, that is melting. August 30th. $14.40. So here, I figured we were pretty bullish. I wanted to see price continue to move higher. And I believe it was like the hour. I was looking at the hour. I was like, yo, we kind of held here for a bit. And we're breaking above. So I hopped in some buys. Right here. My stop loss was Stop loss was all the way at these lows. 91.90, and my TP was going to be a lot higher, but you guys can see price was doing it, kind of held for a bit, pushed up. The second we reached here, I called stops to break even, and then boom, we hit break even. So that put me at 4 losses and 2 break evens this week. And then I believe we called one more trade, which also went break even. And this one, honestly, this is the only one that I thought was like pretty unlucky. And I'm going to show you guys, because we were in EU sells. We're in some fucking fantastic EU sells right here. I saw us break under this whole thing. I was like, yo, we'll probably gain. We had break, retest, break, retest. So I was in shorts from 31.68. Let's just say right there, 66, for example. My stop loss was literally right here. You could see we literally got wicked out by what? I mean, it was like literally an instant wick, and then it kept dropping. And then I saw us create this lower high and break under, and like I did want to call sells there, but I just felt like it's probably smarter that I get out the market. If we do close strongly here, I'm not opposed to taking like a lower high, but I just don't like that it was one candle, and then I don't think that that would be a bad idea to take necessarily. But also, like, you got to understand you're approaching a bullish order block. And I just wanted to rest. Like I said, I made $126,000 last week. My biggest ever week, also coupled with my biggest ever days. So to me, this week, yeah, I took a couple losses, but like last week, for example, I caught 1 to 8, 1 to 7, and like 1 to 5, right? So this whole week, I'm 4 losses, 3 break evens. So I lost 4 R this week, right? If you're risking 1%, you lost 4 trades, you lost 4%. But then it's like last week I caught 8% on a trade, I caught fucking 7% on a trade, I caught 3% on a trade. Like the winners are just always so much bigger. Somebody keeps asking me thoughts of September. So I'm gonna kill it September. Just every single month I've had is profit over profit, and it's a reason. It's because I'm the greatest currency trader to ever exist. I took a couple losses because I'm not bulletproof, but just because you lost doesn't mean shit. Doesn't define you as a trader. It doesn't do anything. Yeah, I took a couple losses, but at the same time, like, that's fine. I'm not here to hide them. Like, I'm a transparent trader. I do all of my stuff on live. I made $130,000 live last week. And I'm not here to fucking bullshit you guys and call TP. I could have won 3 of these trades if I did what every other trader does, which is, oh, I put a TP1 at 1-to-1 risk to reward. That's bullshit. I don't close there, so I'm never, ever, ever going to call TP1 there. I let you guys know exactly what I'm doing in my trades, because that's just the way I think that it should be. So I need everybody to smash these like buttons. And yeah, and if we get here, let's see this. I'm so confident in September. Let's see, we have 108 people watching. How many likes do we have? We have 22 likes. If we get to 50 likes, I'll do a $50 off VIP signals. How about that? And then also, guys, like I only deliver value, right? So obviously this week wasn't a profitable week for the signals. So I gave everyone an extra week. Like I don't believe in, like, why would people pay if I wasn't profitable? And then I also have those 5-day refund. Somebody asked, am I extending everyone a week? Yeah, I am. It's already been done, bro. Like, let me show you. How do I show everyone this? Yeah, I mean, I knew a ton of people had only joined this week because, like, I obviously caught the bag last week, so I knew it was going to happen. But, like, bro, I take losses too. Every trader and their fucking mama takes losses. Like, I don't care about that. We do have this signal kind of running right now, which was from 550. stop where it was, like right here, right? I was running a little bit. Someone said, I would never get a refund. The value you have shared and still be transparent is unparalleled. Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that a lot. I mean, bro, there's a reason why we have 28 reviews on the signals, and every single one of them is 5 stars. 100% are 5 stars. There's a reason for that, because I just do things the real way, bro. Like, I'm not here to hide. Bro, if you guys go look at my live streams, right? You go right here, you go to Pip and Dip FX, and you go to live. You go look at this. You watch me fucking make. I was floating here $20,000, bro. Like, look at that shit. 21 racks, like, live in front of everyone. I proved it was a live account. After that, you go to Chart Addicts stream. You see me make 50 racks on that live. Like, I'm not here to bullshit or hide anything from anyone. Like, there's a reason why I have a fucking a refund thing and all these things just for my people. Where's my Streamlabs? Those are the best lives. The phone screen, yeah, bro. And there will be more lives like that. Somebody said, why is it 4.97 if you only get 5 stars? I don't know. I mean, sometimes, Spyro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, sometimes the stuff you say annoys me because, like, you can see it says 28. I don't know how they calculate it. There's no. If you look at anybody, it just doesn't show purely 5 stars. But, like, it's only. I mean, I can't hide any reviews on the website. I'm not in control of any of that. But from day one, it's just like there's 100% there, 0, 0, 0, 0. Like, so I don't understand how else I can get 5 out of 5. But, like, you know, that's something on their end. You can read every single review there. You go to, you click it, you filter it by 4 star, by 3 star, by 2 star, by 1 star. There's nothing there. So. Very simple. Very, very simple. Yeah, so like I said, if we smash 50 likes on this, I will be giving away I'll do $50 off, honestly, on VIP. We're at 42 likes. So yeah. What's my plan for gold? To let it do whatever the fuck it wants to do. I'm not trading. Like, I'm done, guys. I'm gonna chill out this week. Like, yeah, I usually risk I'll risk up to 20%. Like, on any given trade, I'll risk up to 20%. Can I drop one trade live? I don't see any trades right now. Like, I called out EU in the beginning, and I mean, there's a reason why I didn't end up taking. I got out of this one. I said I was gonna call this one. I said if this one gives a strong close under there, I think it's gonna move bearish. I was gonna hop in that one. I didn't like it. I said to watch out for this. There is a bullish order block right there. No, I didn't lose 40 to 80% because I withdrew a shit ton of money, and then those weren't like my A+ setups, so I wasn't risking 10 to 20. I was going a lot lighter. You only really want to go extremely heavy. Like, you want a system that allows you to trade better when you're up and less when you're out. So it's like, okay, I had lost, or I had withdrawn, right? So I took a ton of money out, and then now it's like the risk management has to reset in a sense. So it's like, okay, if you're risking, you start off by, for example, risking 5, and then when you're up twice, dude, this bozo keeps like hopping in my chats. Like, somebody get this clown out of my rooms. Like, I said, where would stop loss be on the last Euro USD one? I mean, you'd probably want to be break even. No, I don't know, dude. I mean, I'm pretty hurt. I would have made a bag on this trade. I would have caught like, I'd be up like 15 racks right now. But whatever happens. Why are you hopping in my stream talking about let's raid someone else's stream? That's just dumb. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, so about the risk management, what I was saying pretty much was you need a system that allows you to trade riskier when you're trading well, and take risk off the table when you're not. So it's like, okay, like if I'm starting off on 5%, like I need to be up like 15%. Honestly, I need to be up 20% before I start risking 10, because then I can afford to risk 10 2 times. You get what I mean? Somebody said take a breather, don't be stressed. Yeah, I'm not stressed, bro. That's honestly why, bro, I lost 4R this week after I withdrew like almost $80,000 out of my account. So my account reset. I lost a bit on my new account. Honestly tried to rush a lot because I tried doing another account flip, and I mean, it just didn't work out. But guess what? I'm totally fine. And yeah, and then when you're losing, like if I'm losing on 5%, I gotta cut down to 2.5%. Like, bro, that's literally how like bank managers trade. Like they have, it's your free capital and how much you can risk out of your free capital. I said do a GJ breakdown. No, I'm not gonna do GJ. I'm not gonna break down any charts right now. Just not really what I'm feeling. If you guys really wanted to take something like, I don't know, man. GJ, I mean EU, I think is still gonna keep dropping. Like when I did my whole fundamental analysis, I feel like the dollar is pretty bearish right now, but there's still some more homework I need to do. I just don't want to trade right now. Like I just want to chill and enjoy my fucking life. Like I was up for like 72 hours, and then I took the weekend. Obviously I wasn't sleeping much. I was just so excited. And then the markets came back, and then I was up again like 48 hours straight. So bro, just like it gets very tiring. So what I will do for you guys, let me double check how many likes we have. I mean, we have 47 likes, so I'll give you guys like 2 minutes to get 3 more likes. If you guys do get 3 more likes, I'll drop like a $50 code for the signals. So we can start next week and just kill it together. Or not. I really don't fucking care like if I drop the hour or not. Yeah, I'm always on the charts, bro. Like the charts have taken over my life, like and sometimes it's a little too much. So I feel like it got to a point where it's becoming, this week it was a little too much. So yeah. And then I've also got to prepare. I'm going to teach that class starting on Monday. I'm going to do the 5-day or 7-day class, which will be very exciting. Oh damn, we smashed that likes. All right, so let me do something for you guys. Let's do this. Go to WAP. So you guys can see here, the code is going to be, let's just do code PIPandDip for $50 off. Not $1,050, I'd be paying you guys. And then let's do applies to any of the, honestly, whatever, fuck it. We can have it apply to anything on the store, I don't care. The number of redemptions. No. Yeah, so code PIPandDip for $50 off. And then yeah. And then somebody said, will the bootcamp be recorded? Yes, it will be. The bootcamp will be recorded. And yeah, if you guys need anything else, My Telegram is the same as my Instagram. It's at Ollie Trades. But just so you guys know, like when it comes to trading, I do like to just be like a solo entity. Like I don't really interact with other traders or do a lot of things when I'm trading. I heavily believe in just doing my own work and putting my head down, just like being solo. I'm kind of like introverted when it comes to trading. That's why I go on lives. I don't really do Zooms anymore. I honestly don't like to talk to people when I'm trading. Like, I don't mind doing the lives. I think that's educational. But like when people are like, oh, don't you think that this is going to happen? No, like when I'm in a trade, I truly believe I'm always correct. In the sense of I will approach it with the confidence of like, yeah, I'm correct. And then I'm humble enough to say that I'm wrong. You know, at certain times I'm wrong. So that happens. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned a little something. I know I'm going to walk away with a little something. I definitely want to say this week, using proper risk management definitely helped me stay in the markets. And I'm looking forward to trading it next week as well. And I think that the biggest thing is I was just trading too early in the day. Like I was catching moves too early, and that happens. So as you guys know, code PIPNDIP, PIPNDIP for $50 off. And yeah, I really care for all you guys. I'm making sure that everybody in my VIP is set straight. Everybody in my free chat is set straight. As you guys know, they're trying to silence me right now. There was a whole attack on all of my socials and everything. These people are trying to get me taken down. I've been getting sent fake followers every single day. I literally message Instagram to remove them because I don't fuck with that fake stuff. And I got offered literally to start promoting scams. They were like, yeah, bro, bring people to our brokerage. For every dollar they put in, we're going to give you 70 cents of that, stuff like that. And I said, no, fuck that. I responded by flipping 5K to 131K live. Did that in front of all you guys because I truly just care about my community. And I'm just here to help the people. I'm here for the people. I'm never going to sell myself out. I'm never going to sell my soul. And I'm only going to grow. And I'm going to change the whole industry in the fact that what I'm doing is only going to create transparency and force other people to be transparent. I sat here, I took losses, and I broke down every single one of them. Other people will delete their losses, will hide their losses. I'm not for that shit. Same thing with my refund guarantee. 5 days, and you get a full refund. Stuff like that. Somebody said, not live trade today. No, not today, because I've been on the charts too much, and I just need to chill. But yeah, guys, just honestly, guys, just no matter what happens, just understand I would never, ever, ever do anything to put your guys' money or your guys' education at risk. I'd rather lose everything I have standing up for the good in this industry than anything else. Somebody said, when will it's not 50%, it's $50, which is about 25%, and it'll expire in 24 hours from now. Bro, these people ask me about like EU and AJ and all these things. Like, guys, I'm not gonna trade. Like, today is the day where I take a step back and I chill a little bit because I deserve it and I need it, honestly. What do I think in the news? 10 minutes. I could care less. Like, I don't know why these people keep asking. It's the same two people. Like, thank you, bro. I really appreciate that. About the camera, the comment about the camera. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna let these charts play out. They're gonna do what they want today, and they're gonna do what they want tomorrow. Today is now Thursday. Yeah, so there's 2 days left. I'm gonna let the charts do what they want to do because I need a rest. I need to chill. And I need to strategize because we're at fucking war. And that's the truth. There's a lot of people who are trying to take me down right now, and we're at war with them. And so it's about which side do you guys want to be on? Do you guys want to be on the side of truth, or do you guys want to be on the side of bullshit? Let me say go get some retail therapy. Bro, there's a watch I'm inquiring right now, so yeah. And then I'm about to take a nice trip. About to get this new laptop. About to go to Spain. About to do a lot of nice stuff for myself, you know, because I deserved it. I put in nonstop work for the last 3 years, and now I deserve to take a little vacation, a little trip, and I'm very excited for it. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys. A lot of love, a lot of love. And that's what the Pippin family is all about. That's why I love every single one of you guys. That's why I come out here. I do all this stuff for free. I just hired a manager, and he's trying to tell me, yo, you got to charge people for live streams. I'm like, fuck no. I'm telling him. I'm going to say, are those Pringles? I don't know what the fuck these are, bro, to be honest. Somebody said, in the boot camp right now, anyone that hasn't signed up yet is missing out. Yeah, bro, there's some gems. Like, honestly, there's, bro, I'm going to deliver so much for this industry. And, all I can say is stay tuned, guys. Yeah, bro, I literally hired this man. He's like, yo, bro, you got to, he's like, you can only do one free live stream a week. I'm like, what the fuck do you mean? He's like, yeah. I'm like, nah, bro, I'm sorry. Bro, this guy, like, somebody answer this guy's question if I'm trading tomorrow, please. Because, I don't know, this same guy, like, I just, like, keep... Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to go ahead and chill, guys. I hope you guys kill it if you trade. Everybody who's in the signals, I've extended 1 week. September, I'm going to fucking kill it. Am I going to France? Maybe. I'll see. Right now, I think I'm going to Greece. I'm going to Spain. I'm going to Spain and Greece and then Egypt. So, I might be in Miami for a couple of days. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Dubai? No, I'm going to Dubai in October. If you want to meet up, I'll be in Dubai in October. October 20th to the 27th. Love to meet you, bro, in Europe. You know Europe is massive, right? Just because you said you're in Europe. How the fuck are you gonna... Where in Europe are you? Oh, you're good, you're good. Oh, nice, bro. Mohammed, yeah, I'll meet you. All right. Whoever wants to meet me in Dubai, October 20th to 27th, I'll be there. I think there's like a UFC event that I'm supposed to be going to. Let me say I'm in Miami October 26th. I don't stay in Miami, and I won't be there during those days. Pull up to Italy, yeah, I might pull up to Italy. I might pull up to I don't even know, bro. I don't even know what the fucking nice part of Italy is. Rome, right? Yeah, I'm gonna be in Barcelona. I'm gonna be in Madrid, and I'm gonna be in the Gran Canaria Islands. So Portugal, no, not this time. I'll probably be in the summer, next summer. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Everybody take care. And I will see you guys in the next live stream.